What's up, YouTube? Impromptu reaction here. I woke up 5 minutes ago, and it just happened to be about 10 minutes away from the release of new Chainsaw Man chapter. I don't know if I'm gonna make this thing a regular thing I do, but figure why not react to it? I got the fucking DMCA Sleep and Dingy. Maybe it might work. It's gonna take some editing though, you know. So it's a tall order, but I'm willing to make the sacrifice to get it out there, you know. No headphones, don't know how I sound. My headphones are right in front of me. So I guess I could monitor on my own. Whatever, it doesn't matter. I'm sure I sound fucking great. Amazing. Now we wait. What's been going on in the world? I haven't put out much content in a while. I really should put out more content. I've been wanting to stream every day for like the past 2 months, but that's whatever. Guess I can talk about what I expect from the chapter. So, last chapter, we had the big kiss. Yoru being impulsive, as always. And then they got caught by Nayuta. Not sure how to pronounce her name. I don't think there's gonna be a fight, but honestly, I have no expectations really. Just interested to see how to. I should have got a cookie. Now it's too close to the release of the damn chapter. I can't go out and get a cookie. Fuck. Big fucking mistake. All right, 2 seconds. Let's refresh. It should be out now. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. All right. Arf.
The time is 9 a.m. It's time to start your workday. Have a great day.
I hope you heard that. Arf, arf, woof. What? Oh, she's a menace. Well, Yoru's a dog. I wonder does that mean Asa's a dog too? Oh, she's a brat. Pretty cool. This is the content we wanted to see. Just Ninja and Nayuta's normal day. This was a date at one point. Remember that? Now Yoru's just chilling with the dogs. Turn it back already. I'm serious. Well, she's nothing like Makima. Yeah, setting up rules. She's a little bit like Makima. Oh, and she knows the scent. She probably doesn't have the memories of war, but somewhere inside of Nayuta, Control Devil recognizes war scent. And she's definitely influenced by Denji with the dog smelling good. Oh. Cope. Asa's coping. Yeah, hormones. Hormones. Yeah, you prefer it. Sure. Uh-huh. Don't cry, Asa. Uh-oh, the Rizzler is here. Oh boy, oh boy. All right, that was a decent chapter. Like I said, no expectations except I knew they weren't going to fight. And of course they didn't fight. Also, I feel like Nayuta is leagues stronger than War currently is. Cool. And we got some daily life. This was a sick chapter. I love this. Although I kind of feel sad that the Denji Asa stuff didn't work out. But that's too early. Come on. They're gonna have a moment together, and then it's gonna be maybe after that somebody dies. But the fact that last chapter we saw inside of Denji's mind with the whole dogs smell good thing makes me wonder how long he's gonna stick around. Because I know he's not the priority anymore in part 2, but the fact that that Fujimoto is still willing to go inside his mind and give better context to how he's feeling at a given moment tells us that he's still a very important character. He's not gonna get killed off. At least not anytime soon. Like it was pretty obvious during the whole Denji spine sword thing that was not gonna work. Whatever. This worked out all right. 6 minutes. You know, I'm pretty quick with stuff like this. So I wonder if I drop this shit on YouTube Raw. What would you think of that? What would you think of that? I didn't do anything fucking outrageous that needed to be cut out. I can drop this shit on YouTube Raw. Have it up by 9:15. That might be pretty fucking sick. Get the algorithm. Of course, the video has to be longer than 10 minutes. How long have I been recording? 15 minutes. That sounds about fucking right. YouTube, you might be getting a treat. Fucking Raw. And then I'll do edit it later. But I gotta get the algorithm shit. All right, YouTube. Listen, I'm planning shit out. I'm doing all kind of calculations. It's early in the morning. My brain is flowing. So I'm gonna drop this shit on YouTube unedited, and then I'm gonna edit it and then drop it on YouTube again, double dip, Get the good nothing because my YouTube is not partnered. All right. See you guys.